In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom in your browser effectively. Whether you're hosting a meeting from your home office or joining one on the go, knowing how to navigate Zoom's browser interface will ensure you can connect smoothly with others. To get started, open your preferred web browser and visit the Zoom website by typing in the URL or simply searching Zoom on your search engine. Once you're at the homepage, look for the Sign In option, typically found at the top right corner. Clicking here will direct you to the login page. To sign in, you have multiple options, but today we'll focus on using your Google account for a quick sign-in. Simply click the Google button, which will prompt you to choose an account if you're logged in on that browser. Select your account and follow any prompts to allow Zoom to access your Google account information. This step is essential to ensure you can access Zoom's features without repeatedly entering a username and password. Now that you're signed in, you're on the main dashboard. If you want to start an immediate meeting, click on New Meeting. This feature allows for a quick setup where you can invite participants to join. It's ideal for spontaneous meetings with little planning required. However, should you already have a meeting ID or link, you can join it by selecting Join. Make sure you have the meeting ID and password on hand, as you'll need those to connect successfully. For organizing meetings at a scheduled time, click on Schedule. This option lets you plan meetings in advance, providing control over details such as the date and time, recurrent settings, and invite lists. It's perfect for bookending the workweek with regular check-ins or setting timely discussions weeks in advance. In Zoom's integrated team chat, you can communicate with your team through quick messages or persistent group chats. This keeps everyone connected without needing to jump between different communication platforms. If you want to expand your network or keep track of your colleagues, head to Contacts. Here you can invite or add new contacts and manage your existing ones. Don't forget to customize your settings to optimize your experience. Click on your profile icon, which provides access to adjust both your audio and video preferences under Settings. Tailoring these options ensures you have the best possible performance during calls with fewer disruptions due to technical issues. With these basic tools and settings at your disposal, Zooming via your web browser can be both efficient and user-friendly. Whether you're meeting new partners, catching up with a team, or leading a virtual conference, having the know-how to use Zoom Online equips you for success in navigating the digital meeting landscape. So go ahead, try it out, and see how seamlessly you can connect with others using Zoom in your browser.